Let me welcome you back again to yet another lesson. And for this lesson, I'll be referring to a question that was tested in one of the past years. Now, this question is coming from the topic on money. And as I may read, you are told that the hire purchase price of a sewing machine is made up of a deposit of shillings 4,000 and 18 equal monthly installments of shillings 1,200 shillings each. Wajir was allowed a 20% discount on the hire purchase price for buying the sewing machine on cash. How much money did she pay? Now let me say that this question will give us an opportunity to remind ourselves about the topic that was covered sometimes in class 7. And as I've said, this question is on hire purchase, and the question is coming from the KCPE that was done in the year 2019. Well, from this question, we are going to learn some few words that are being used here, and I hope that after this lesson, you'll take the textbook and try to answer the questions that are there. Now, for those who are using the Primary Mathematics Book 7, this work is available on page 165. This work is available on page 165. Now, since it is a subtopic on hire purchase, the word purchase here means to buy. The word purchase means to buy. Now, what is hire purchase price? Now, it is rather, if you buy an item on hire purchase, this is a way of buying goods by paying for them over a period of time. What does this mean? You want an item. You do not have all the money that is required, so you agree with the seller. You pay some deposit, a bit of the money, or rather part of the money, and then the remaining money you'll be paying slowly by slowly every month. So the amount of money that you pay first is called deposit, and the amount of money that you pay afterwards, every month, it is called monthly installments. So, after you pay the deposit, the remaining amount of money, you'll be clearing that balance by paying some money every month until you clear the balance. Now, you need to note something here, that you may decide to buy an item on hire purchase. If you have all the money, you can buy the item on cash basis. Like as we can see from this question, this lady Wanja was to be allowed 20% discount on the hire purchase price for buying that sewing machine on cash basis, and therefore that money was being calculated in terms of hire purchase, but if she agrees to buy the item on cash basis, 20% will be deducted from that hire purchase price. And therefore you'll note that the hire purchase price is always higher than the cash price. And it is okay. If you have the money, buy the item on cash price. If you do not have all the money, pay the deposit, let the remaining amount be paid slowly by slowly. The consequences are, at the end of the payment, you'll have paid more than the cash price. So, if you decide to pay on the cash price, the seller may decide to give you some discount. Cash price, first of all, it is that amount which you pay for that item. And you may agree with the seller that he or she will allow you, or rather will agree to deduct some money. The amount of money that will be deducted from the cash price, which we call the marked price, is called discount. So the marked price, you subtract some discount, then you'll be left with the cash price which you now pay for that item. So, discount sometimes is calculated as a percentage of the marked price. Like now in this case, 20% discount on the higher purchase price. So we shall be required to first of all calculate the higher purchase price, and then we work out this discount of 20%, which we shall now deduct from the higher purchase price. Now to work out a higher purchase price, we are supposed to take the deposit which you have paid, and then the amount of money that you'll be paying every month, which we are calling monthly installment, which has to be multiplied by the total number of months. Now in our case here, this person will be paying installments of 4,000 shillings for a period of 18 months. And this is what we are saying, paying for an item over a given period of time. The period of time here is 18 months, and the amount of money to be paid every month is 4,000 shillings. So, the information that we are given from this question, one of the information given is the deposit that this person paid, the 4,000 shillings. And then we know the monthly installment is shillings 1,200 for a period of 18 months. For a period of 18 months. Now, if we now want to calculate the higher purchase price, we shall take that deposit and then we add the monthly installment for a period of 18 months. Remember, we are doing this so that first of all we get this higher purchase price, because it is the one that will help us to get the discount, which we shall then subtract from that higher purchase price to get now the cash price. Now, once you solve this expression here, you'll get that the higher purchase price is 25,600. This is now the higher purchase price. But then we are told if this person will buy this item on cash basis, she will be around 20% discount of that higher purchase price. So let us calculate this discount. If we take 20% of the 25,600 and then we do away with these two zeros there, you'll be left with 20 multiplied by 256, which will give us now the discount to be 5,120. Now I want you to note something here. The examiner who brought this question is giving us 25,600 as choice D. And you as the candidate, you are likely to get this one and select it, assuming that that is the answer, or thinking that is the answer. Look at the discount, 5,120. It is already given as choice A, and yet it is not the answer. Because we are supposed now to take that higher purchase price, we subtract the discount so that we get the cash price. And therefore the cash price will be, you take that higher purchase price minus that discount, which will now be 25,600, you subtract 5,120. And this now will leave you with 20,480. And therefore, the 20,480 is available as choice B, which could have been the answer for that question. Well, after going through this question, please take the textbook which you are having, do the various examples that are there. If you have any past paper, you can select a question on higher purchase price and try to relate what we have learned today so that you try to solve that question. Well, continue subscribing to this channel so that any new material that is being uploaded, you'll be notified. Thank you very much.